to my channel. XOXO Sheba here, and if you're new, hello, what's up? Welcome to the XO Squad. Today's video, I'm gonna show you guys all from how I went from drab to fab. So we're gonna get into all of that, but first don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay?
This the way that we rock. I'm from the bottom, so I aim for the top. And you crazy in the mind if you think I'ma stop. And I'm young, black, and living, still dreaming a lot.
Alright guys, so we are working on this wig. It's Outre. Look at the box. This is new. Okay. Let's pop it out and see what we're working with. I didn't give y'all a name. Her name is Dasha or Dasha. I like Dasha. It sounds bougier that way. So I'm gonna show y'all the inside because I know y'all like the inside. I can show you better than I can tell you, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. 4x4 parting, combs on the side, the back, and oh, it does have adjustable strap. I thought it didn't. I was gonna say, oh, spice it up a little bit. So we're just gonna cut that off. Stock card. Directions do come on the back. Wait, what's on these directions? Oh, I didn't peep. This is the cop. You can pull this up, okay? They give you baby hair in the back. You can pull this up. All right, let's put this on. Oh wow, you guys, this is a super soft wig. I am experiencing some tangling already though, so fair warning of that. Nothing too major for what it is, because you see it's long and you see it's kind of curly. I almost feel like the cap's not gonna work with this too well. Like, this is really transparent lace. Okay, so I went ahead and just took off my nude cap, as you can see here, because this is just super transparent, so it doesn't look like you can get away with wearing a cap with this and your cap not show. Let's secure these sides. Okay, so this looks like a wig you're gonna have to tack down with some got to be. It is definitely big head friendly. Definitely big head friendly. Because I'm actually gonna adjust these straps. And I never have to adjust the straps. Not often anyways. So, if you really want to take it that extra mile and you want to pull this up and stuff like that, you're gonna have to tack it down with your got to be. However, I'm not doing all that, so I'm just going to tack down my baby hairs, and that will be enough to secure the wig. Okay, so this hair kind of has like a slight smell to it, like a dye smell to it when you first pull it out the package, but it kind of fades. Sorry. It kind of fades as it's been out in the air a little long. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. Yeah. Why is this side always easier to slick than this side? This side always giving me trouble.
Hey girl, bring it back. Girl, bring it back. Hey girl, bring it back.
Alright, so we're gonna try to give this like a little stand-up action, so it kind of like, you know, does a deep side part thing. So take a little freeze spray and hold it up. That's helped me in the past. This hair feels really natural. Alright, so I'm gonna pull out some mousse here. Alright, so I'm laying these edges and then I'm going to come back. Okay, let's take the scarf off and see what we're working with. Now everything's flat and secure. We're gonna brushing this out. Okay, so we are about done. Okay, so we're about done here. I'm just about to go through with some concealer for precision. And I'm going to put that in the part. Ooh, I almost grabbed too much. As you can see, I still haven't been to the store to get some more of the powder, that is. Okay, you guys, so I think this is a super cute unit. Very glam, very glitz. If you're looking for something for prom, if you have not had your prom yet, this would be a great pickup, you know, because everybody can't afford the expensive bundles, especially when you're like in high school and stuff like that, so you can go in on your dress and still have cute hair. This is a great pickup. So yes, you guys, this is Dasha. If you're interested in her, I will link it down below in the description box for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell because you don't want to miss any uploads from your fave. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.